Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this natural makeup look that you see here. It really looks like I have on no makeup, at least in my opinion it does. Anyways, I got this request on my Instagram page. I did like a little poll if people wanted to see this natural makeup look that I achieve on a day-to-day basis. This is like your everyday wear you can wear to work. It really doesn't take me that long to do. At the max 20 minutes in the morning. I don't think that's a lot. Sometimes it doesn't even take me that long. But anyways guys, if you would like to see how I achieve this natural look here, keep watching. So I'm not going to be using any primer today before my makeup application. I'm going to be using a Truth Serum and a moisturizer from the Ole Henrikson brand. Love these two products. I use them actually on a daily basis. I'm going to pump it 2 times on my hand there, and then I'm going to dab it on each cheek, my forehead, my chin, and just rub it all in. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the moisturizer. I'm going to dab it and place it on each cheek, my forehead, nose, and chin, and just rub it all in, making sure that my skin really absorbs the moisturizer. You just kind of want to press it into your skin nice and gently, just making sure that it absorbs all of it. This is going to be really important that your skin is nice and glowing and that it actually looks like skin. I've learned that using a moisturizer really helps the skin to glow when you're trying to achieve a natural look. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is bomb right here. Kudos to Rihanna for coming out with 40 shades. I'm just going to apply 3 pumps on the back of my hand. It is a little runny, but it's going to give me a flawless finish. I'm just going to take the foundation and dab it underneath my eyes and just dab it all over my face evenly so that when I start to buff it in, it just kind of buffs in quite easily. Then I'm going to take my Sephora multitasker brush. I really love this brush for this foundation. It doesn't pick it up a lot. It helps to evenly distribute the foundation and really presses it into my skin. It just like literally melts into my skin. This foundation is my holy grail right now. I know it looks a little orange, but it really does settle into the skin quite nicely. It's a really good shade. I am wearing the shade 430. And as you can see, I'm taking the brush now and I'm doing circular motions, just making sure that the foundation is blending. Blend, blend, blend is going to be the key. Then I'm going to take my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I am wearing the shade Hazelnut, which is, I believe, medium dark, number 4 or something like that. Another holy grail of mine. This concealer is just, ooh, it's bomb. But I'm going to take it, apply it under each eye, the bridge of my nose, above my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. Then I'm going to take the infamous Beauty Blender and just blend all of that concealer in. Then I'm going to take my Mercier translucent setting powder and dab a bit on my beauty blender, and I'm just going to apply the setting powder everywhere that I have applied my concealer to set my concealer in place and just to make sure that there's no creasing under the eye. Then I'm going to take a powdered brush and just dust away the excess powder. I don't like to bake or anything when I'm going for a natural look. Hell, I hardly ever bake. Then I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep Dark. And I love this stuff. As you can see, I'm almost out. I need to get some more. Lord help me. Somebody buy me some more. But I'm going to take that and I'm just going to press it into the areas where I put the translucent setting powder. Excuse my loud dog in the background as I'm trying to do this voiceover for this makeup tutorial, but we're gonna keep it pushing. Anywho, I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown bronzer, I love this stuff, and I'm going to use that to kind of contour my face just a little bit. I love this bronzer. it gives a nice natural look. So as you can see, I'm making the letter E to sculpt my face, and then I'm gonna brush a little bit across my forehead. Oh my god, I forgot to do my brows. Okay guys, so we're gonna brush the brows up with your spoolie. Take my Nars concealer again and just highlight under the brow. I have a full tutorial on how I do a natural brow without using any pomade or brow pencil. If you want to see that video, I'll link it in the description box below. And yes, you do have to make that face in order to, to get that concealer to blend in nicely. Then I'm going to take my brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills and just brush it up so that those brows stay in place. Then I'm going to apply some blush from MAC. It was from the Mariah Carey collection. I think it's called Sweet Sweet Fantasy. Then I'm just going to apply some mascara to my eyes. I'm using this mascara from the Maybelline and Makeup Shayla collaboration. This is in Baddest Black. Then I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take my MAC Prep and Prime, another holy grail, and spray it all over my face. And wave it, girl. And pat it and wave it and ooh, ooh. Pat your makeup ladies. Pat, pat, pat your makeup ladies. What you want? Check up on it. Pat your makeup ladies. Ooh, 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 ooh. Then I'm going to take this nude lip gloss that I got from Bobbi Brown. It's just a small little sample, but I love it. I need to order some more, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips, and then we're done. Alright guys, well that completes this look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I had so many requests for this look on my Instagram page, and if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at Mrsbreauxbody, and you can also connect with me on my Snapchat as Mrsbreauxbody, as well as Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace until next time. Oh, god damn it. It's spider. God damn it. Spider. Shit. I hate spiders. Ow. Ew. Oh god, the